Good morning and happy Saturday. I know everybody is dying to get a peek at Tesla, so let's start right there. So Tesla on the monthly, we talked about this last week, I want to say, that this 290 area was really strong resistance. It's going to be a tough area to get through. Y'all, it is now holding as support. Tesla is such a beast. So the last time we were above, though, was back in April of 2022. So we have not been in this area right here for 2.5 years. That is fairly significant. These are areas I'm going to be watching for on the larger time frames, that 352, 360, 72, 84, 402, and 414. Flipping over to our weekly chart, what a weekly candle. That's incredible. So you can see we've passed all this. We talked about this chop box, and that's that 314 right there. So you can see how that would have been the right area to pause, but Tesla don't care. So we broke right through it. And then now looking left, this is the area to just be mindful of, that we could see some more chop. It's definitely not going to be a straight line, but you can see that we have definitely got some area where we kind of chopped around for a few weeks, not able to kind of just push and continue. We kind of pulled back several times as well. So looking at the daily chart, I did have to pull this guy way to the left so we can take a peek. But you can see right now, this is the 314 area and why it's so significant, so much right through here. So seeing it hold now as support is just beautiful. But if you look a little bit over here, this is the 324.25 area that I told you was going to be another significant area for us to get above. We did push to that 328, but we could not hold. So if you look right here, this is a lot that we need to get through. Once we pass through this, we definitely have some more room to head on up to the upside, but this 324.25 is definitely going to be the next significant hold. So we could get some chop trying to push past this. If we go all the way left or right, I'm sorry, back to kind of where we are right now, this is kind of where I'm watching to see what's next. We do have these gap fills, but Tesla's not like SPX. It's not going to turn around and go fill the gaps right away. It could, but Tesla really does its own thing. So I'm going to be watching for this 304 hold if we do get a pullback, and kind of see what happens there and how the market responds, how Tesla responds if we get a bounce off that trend line, because we've definitely been holding it very nicely. So let's just see what happens. I will add more levels along the way between where we are and on up to an all-time high. So definitely check that out in the Discord. But Tesla's looking really, really strong and really bullish right now, but we do have to be mindful and have a little bit of patience as we are navigating this right here, because this is definitely going to be a little bit more difficult to get through.